Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Minecraft and confirming multiplayer permissions. Make sure your privacy settings allow friend invites. Next, search for friends using their Java username or Bedrock/Xbox Live gamertag. Type it exactly. If they are on Discord or social media, ask for a direct server or Realm invite. Once done, send an Xbox Live friend request for Bedrock players or request IP/port and server permissions for Java. These first steps get you connected and ready to join together. Once connected to friends' contact info, decide where to play: a public server, a private whitelisted server, or a Realm. You should check that everyone runs the same Minecraft edition and version. Mismatches block joins. Coordinate play times and set up voice chat. Discord is common, so you can communicate while exploring. Also verify server rules and required plugins or mods ahead of time. This prevents surprises. Doing this makes joining smooth and makes your first session enjoyable. To finish, double-check server address, port, and version compatibility, then test your connection so you don't waste friends' time. Use whitelists or private realms to keep your group secure. If a direct connection fails, try NAT/port forwarding or a VPN-like tool such as Hamachi. If you run into errors, restart Minecraft, update the client, check firewall settings, and resync your Xbox Live or Mojang account. This small troubleshooting tip, confirming versions and network settings, solves.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.